Today we talk about how can you select or your location on your app, or how can you change location on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down, click in this sign down here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you come to this sign, you just click on it here. So then here can you search by city here, or here can you use your current location. So when you just search here for your if you search here for your location, it's going to show for you automatically here. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.